Hi everybody, in this video we see chapter 1 unit exercise 1. So very important problems are there in this chapter. So first question is, if the ordered pairs x squared minus 3x y squared plus 4y and minus 2 comma 5 are equal, two ordered pairs are equal, then find x and y. This is the ask question. Okay, so the pairs are equal means x squared minus 3x comma y squared plus 4y is equal to minus 2 comma 5. So be equal x squared minus 3x equal to minus 2, and then y squared plus 4y is equal to 5. X value and y values are equal. So how to write x squared minus 3x, here minus 2 go to this side, plus 2 is equal to 0. Y squared plus 4y, here 5 go to this side means minus 5 is equal to 0. So factors are find out. If you want multiply two numbers are need, the two numbers are multiplied, the answer get 2. The same two numbers add, we get minus 3. Okay, so what are the numbers means 2 comma 1. 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, but 3 is negative, so we put minus minus, then only we find out minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3. Same like minus into minus plus, so 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay, so the values are x minus 2, x minus 1. Same like here, we can multiply minus 5 and then add 4. So what are the two numbers means 5 into 1. 5 into 1 5. 5 minus 1 4. So we put minus. Same plus into minus minus 5. Okay. So y plus 5, y minus 1. So these are the factors. So equal to 0. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x equal to 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0 means x equal to 1. Y means y minus 5. Y minus 1 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 1. So these are the x and y values. Okay. This is the first sum. Now we go to second sum. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, among which minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 are found. So A cross A has 9 elements. The two elements are found at and given. Find the set A. First we find out A, then the remaining elements of A cross A. So you also find out A cross A. Okay. So how to find A means, here 9 elements are there in A cross A. So if 9 elements in A cross A means in A set of A has 3 elements, because 3 into 3 means 9. Okay, so just 3 elements are there in A. So what are the elements means, the two elements are given that gives minus 1, 0, 1 value. So these are the values of the elements. So we put A is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. So A cross A find out means another A is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1, same. Okay, so how to write A cross A, minus 1 and then minus 1, minus 1 0, minus 1 1, 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1. So this is the method to find A cross A. Okay, so the elements gives set A, then we find out A cross A. So this is the second question. Then the third question, given that f of x equal to root of x minus 1, here x greater than or equal to 1, means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to big numbers. Then 4 means f of x equal to 4 means less than 1. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, if your x value is 0 or less than or equal to less than 0, then only we put 4. So find out f of 0, f of 3 and f of a plus 1. So one by one we solve. First f of 0. So 0 means x less than 1. Okay, so we put the answer is 4. Then f of 3. F of 3 means greater than or equal to 1. So f of x equal to root of x minus 1. So f of 3 means substitute x for 3. So 3 minus 1 means root 2, the answer. Then third substitution, f of a plus 1. A plus 1 means in terms of a, given that a greater than or equal to 0. So if you substitute a is equal to 0, then we can find 1. So f of 1 means greater than or equal to 1. So we take f of x equal to root of x minus 1, x greater than or equal to 1. So if you substitute x, a plus 1, minus 1. So plus minus 1 cancel, the answer is root a. Okay, so here we understand a greater than or equal to 0 means, so 0, so we can take 4. No, because substitute for a 0 or more than 0 means f of 1. If not, substitute in a is equal to 0 or 1 means f of 2. So already we know greater than or equal to 1 means root of x minus 1. So we take and substitute. Okay. Okay, this is the third problem. Then we solve fourth one. So how to solve? Very easy one. Let us a is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is given set a. And let f a tends to n be defined. How to f defined means f of n is equal to the highest prime factor of n in a. So the elements in a have highest prime factors we write. Okay, that is f. Write f as a set of ordered pairs. First we find out ordered pairs and find the range of f. So range also we need find. Okay, so first how to write means f of n what given highest prime factor. So for elements in a or find out the prime factors, highest prime factors. So first we find out f of 9. F of 9 means 3 into 3, 9. So the highest factor 3. F of 10 means 2 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 1. So 1 5 is 5. So the highest factor 5. F of 11 is equal to 11 is the highest factor because 11 into 1 means 11. F of 12 means 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 3 is 3. So the highest factor is 3. F of 13 also prime factors 13 only. F of 14 means 7 2s are 14, 1 7 is 7, so 7. F of 15 means 5 3s are 15, 5 into 1 5. So 5 is the highest prime factor. F of 16 means 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 is 2. So the highest factor is 2 only. So f of 17 means 17 is the prime factor, highest prime factor. So now we find all the prime factors. Then how to write ordered pair means f of n is equal to 9 3, 9 comma 3, 10 comma 5, 11 comma 11, 12 comma 3, 13 comma 13, 14 comma 7, 15 comma 5, 16 comma 2, 17 comma 1. Sorry, 17 comma 17. Okay, these are the ordered pairs we find. Okay, then range or means the highest factors are we find f. Okay, these are the ranges. So 3 5 11. So already 3 right, so no need. 13 7 5 already right, so don't need. 2 and 17. So in ascending order 2 3 5 7 11 13 17, these are the range or. Okay, okay, then we find the fifth sum, very simple one. Find the domain of the function. So function f of x equal to root of 1 plus root of 1 minus root of 1 minus x squared is given. We need to find a domain means you focus on x terms have. Where is x? That is the domain. So here root of 1 minus x squared means x value there. So domain means we have values. If you substitute x equal to something, then we find the value of 0 or more than 0, greater than 0. So greater than or equal to 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, something values are there. The positive values is the answer. Okay, if the negative answer is there, that is a no domain. Okay, so you sub 1 minus x squared greater than or equal to 0. So minus x squared greater than or equal to minus 1. So minus minus means simple is less than or equal to. So x less than x squared less than or equal to 1. So x less than or equal to root 1. So x equal to plus or minus 1. So how to write minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Okay. So the elements are minus 1, 0, 1. These are the domains. Because if you substitute minus 1, 0, 1, then we get f of x equal to a positive one value number. If you substitute other numbers, because 2 or minus 2 something are put for x, then the value is the negative. For example, if you substitute x is equal to 2, so 1 minus 2 squared. So 1 minus 4 root of. So root of minus 3. So root of minus 3 has no value. So this is wrong. So the domains are minus 1, 0, 1. Okay. So these are the answer. Because how to write means 1 minus root of 1 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. Then only we get domain. So only we write. Okay. So 1 minus x square greater than or equal to 0. So minus x square. Here 1 go to this side minus 1. So both side minus we will change to plus means the simple changed. So x squared less than or equal to 1. So x is equal to root 1 less than or equal to root 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 means answer. Okay. So the domains are minus 1, 0, 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Thank you.